Good morning! Day 2 po ngayon ang aming enrollment. So, narito naman po yung mga aking mga mga kapwa ko guro dito sa Esperanza Central School. Ayan! Hello! Kaway naman po dyan. Ayan. Humarap po kayo sa camera. Yan, ma'am. Ayan. Yes. Ngayong umaga po ay magkakaroon po kami ng kunting kasiyahan po. At ang isa po sa mga parent namin na mag-i-enroll ngayon ng kanyang anak ay magbibigay ng information number. Ayan. So, anong pangalan mo po, ma'am?
Si Miss Dagom Girl. Ayan. Hi, guys.
Nice to meet you, Miss Dagom. Ngayon ko lang siya nakilala, friend. Nandito pala ngayon sa Esperanza Central School si Madam Dagom. Madam Dagom. Ayan po. Okay, so pumipili na po siya ng kanyang.
Let's go.
Alright. So, stay lang po kayo dyan.
And watch out po on sa Sunday sa The Vibes ako. Ayan.
Okay, sa The Vibes.
I promise you, oh, gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before. And you'll be in my heart forevermore. Just too young to know we feel, and love is letting go. It's easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feelings die. I know how much I need you now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and soul unite, I know for sure we'll get the feeling right.
Yay!
Kasi kita pa bala magbayad sa iya house.
Starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll level the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friends. We are starting over again.
Yes! Ayan! Okay, thank you very much po, Miss Dagom. Ayan. Opo. Ngayon po, Erika, ikaw may shout mo ako doon mamaya. Dapat marinig ko at saka magsabi talaga yung mga estudyante at saka teacher. Sabihin mo, shout out pala kay Mr. Marvin Cabanayan ng Esperanza Central School. Dapat may mag-comment talaga sa mamaya ha. Thank you. Request ko po yun ha. Tandaan yan, mapupunta talaga ako ng Bagong Bayan National High School kasi magkakaroon sila ng 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Tama po ba, 4th?
Babala.
Yes. So kita-kits tayo doon mamaya, mama ha. Sige. Aquino Cabanayan.
Marvin,
Aquino Cabanayan.
Sa gabi.
Opo. Yes, of course.